Hi guys, thank you for helping me to reach nearly 300 subscribers, and before we head on to the new year, I'll be covering 5 of my favorite gadgets which I reviewed this year. The first item is my A6400 with the 16mm Sigma 1.4 lens. As you guys have noticed, there's a difference in the quality of the videos on my channel, actually thanks to this camera with this particular lens. I've been using it ever since I bought it, and just like what other reviewers said, you will never leave this camera without this lens. So that was my favorite camera and my favorite lens. Let's move on to the second item, which is my favorite camera accessory. It will be my Smarter Slider Mini. A lot of the B-rolls on my channel, as you guys know, are shot using my Smarter Slider Mini. It's a very small, compact, motorized slider and it's able to hold quite a huge payload. Now further details on this slider is in my video right here. Now let's move on to our third item, which is my favorite camera support. It will be my Zhiyun Crane M2. Now this small little gimbal can work wonders. It's not just able to mount smaller cameras such as my RX100 Mark V, but my A6400 with the kit lens. Now all of you might be thinking that it's actually not a very big setup. It is true, but for me, I'm actually looking for portability while I travel. Now for all those who want to know more, there's a video right here which I give a full review on this gimbal. But if not, this is one of my favorite camera support items. Now let's move on to my fourth item, which is my favorite bag. I've been reviewing different kinds of bags throughout the year, but only one that I really love and really carry around a lot, which is my SIRUI SLINGLITE. Now this simple bag doesn't cost a lot, and I'm able to put so many items in it. Among the different bags that I reviewed, this is one of the favorite items which I bring around, as it's really small and really fits my small build. You have pockets at the side, and you have a small camera insert right here for you to put different lenses in it. For all those who are interested, there's a video right here for you to be able to have detailed look on the specs of this bag. But I can clearly say this is something which you'll buy and you'll never regret. Now the fifth and last item is my favorite gadget. My favorite gadget would be this, which is not a mobile phone, it's actually the morph stand behind here. Now it's a simple camera stand and you're able to put it portrait mode right here or even landscape right here. I know it might seem very simple, but actually it makes my life a lot easier and it doesn't cost much. So now this morph stand is one of my favorite accessories for this year. Now I hope you guys like my 5 favorite items which I reviewed this year, and I hope you have a good new year and follow me through the channel as I experiment and be able to review more items on this channel. If not, see you in 2020.